So we're going to talk a little bit about the diagram here. We'll talk a little bit about... So we are right here. We're standing inside the Inner Nevada Diversion Tunnel. Around the balcony up here, should be plenty of space for everyone to get a nice front lots of electricity. That's enough to power roughly 100,000 homes. The way they produce that electricity, water flows through a penstock at the base at the top, and they can travel the entire distance of the power plant. Each one of those cranes can lift 300 tons.